Fuel prices are rising. 10 tricks to save petrol right now. If you've just filled up your car and felt a sudden sense of financial dread, you're not imagining things. Breaking news reports that global oil prices have surged past $100 a barrel, the first time this has happened in years. This is as escalating war involving Iran disrupts energy supplies and shipping routes across the Middle East. The conflict has threatened vital oil infrastructure and shipping lanes such as the Strait of Hormuz, a passage through which roughly 20% of the world's oil supply normally flows every day. When oil prices jump, fuel prices at the pump usually follow not long after. Analysts are warning that energy costs could rise further, pushing up petrol prices for drivers around the world. So the question for motorists is simple. What can you actually do about it? Well, the good news is that there are some surprisingly effective ways to stretch every tank of fuel further. Some are common sense, others come from hypermiling, where drivers squeeze maximum distance from every liter. Here are 10 tricks you can start using right now. 1. Find the cheapest fuel near you. Fuel prices can vary dramatically even within the same town. Apps such as fuel price comparison tools, navigation apps, and even supermarket fuel trackers can help you. They help you find the cheapest petrol stations nearby. Avoid motorway service stations whenever possible. They are almost always the most expensive places to fill up. 2. Accelerate smoothly. One of the biggest fuel killers is aggressive acceleration. Stamping on the throttle burns significantly more fuel than gradually building speed. Smooth, progressive acceleration can dramatically improve your fuel economy, especially in urban driving. 3. Drive a little slower on motorways. Speed has a massive effect on fuel consumption. Aerodynamic drag increases sharply the faster you go, meaning your engine has to work much harder. Dropping your cruising speed from around 75 miles per hour to 65 can noticeably improve fuel efficiency. 4. Look ahead and anticipate traffic. Good drivers don't just react to the road, they anticipate it. If you see traffic slowing ahead, lift off the throttle early and coast gently rather than braking hard. This simple habit helps maintain momentum and saves fuel. 5. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance. That means the engine has to work harder just to move the car forward. Check your tire pressures regularly. Correct inflation can improve fuel efficiency and make your tires last longer. 6. Remove unnecessary weight. Cars are not storage lockers. Extra weight forces the engine to burn more fuel, especially in stop-start driving. If you've got tools, equipment, or random items living permanently in the boot, clearing them out can make a difference. 7. Remove roof racks when not needed. Roof racks and roof boxes create extra aerodynamic drag. At motorway speeds, this can significantly increase fuel consumption. If you're not using them, take them off. Your fuel tank will thank you. 8. Use cruise control on long drives. Cruise control helps maintain a constant speed. This can improve efficiency on long motorway journeys. Constant acceleration and braking wastes fuel, while steady driving uses less. 9. Plan your journeys. Cold engines burn more fuel. Short trips where the engine never fully warms up are particularly inefficient. Combining errands into a single journey can reduce fuel consumption significantly. 10. Drive smoothly, not aggressively. The biggest hypermiling secret is actually quite simple. Drive smoothly. Gentle acceleration, steady speeds, and anticipating traffic conditions all add up to meaningful fuel savings. Some hypermilers can achieve astonishing fuel economy simply by refining their driving style. Final thoughts. The reality is that global events thousands of miles away can still affect the price you pay. With oil now back above $100 per barrel because of the conflict in the Middle East, motorists everywhere could feel the impact. But while we can't control global politics, we can control how we drive. And a few simple changes behind the wheel might just help you stretch every tank a little further. Because in times like these, saving fuel isn't just good for your wallet. It keeps you driving longer.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is the only comprehensive guide to car journalism and content creation.
The Ulez Files is a novel, an all-action thriller with great reviews on Amazon.
A collection of 13 short stories written over 20 years featuring cars, sci-fi, and stories about the human condition.
Please buy Brown Car Guy's books available on Amazon.com or Kindle Unlimited.
Shout out time, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoy my content, why not get involved? Buy me a coffee. You can do that at either of these links. Or if you're watching on YouTube, buy me a thanks or take out a membership. It all helps. It really does.